Here is a detailed explanation with handmade chart of forces and their types with definitions and examples. What is force? Definition. A force is a push or pull exerted on an object that results from its interaction with another object. Forces can cause objects to accelerate, decelerate, remain in place, or change shape. Unit. The SI unit of force is the Newton represented by capital letter N. Types of forces. 1. Contact forces. Definition. Contact forces occur when two interacting objects are physically touching each other. Friction. Description. Friction is the force that opposes the relative motion or tendency of such motion of two surfaces in contact. Example. Car tires on a road experience friction, which helps in controlling the car. Tension. Description. Tension is the force that is transmitted through a string, rope, cable, or wire when it is pulled tight by forces acting from opposite ends. Example. The tension in a rope during a game of tug-of-war. Normal force. Description. The normal force is the support force exerted upon an object that is in contact with another stable object. It acts perpendicular to the surface of contact. Example. A book resting on a table experiences a normal force exerted by the table. Applied force. Description. An applied force is a force that is applied to an object by a person or another object. Example. Pushing a door open applies a force to the door. Air resistance. Description. Air resistance, also known as drag, is a type of frictional force that acts upon objects as they travel through the air. Example. A skydiver falling through the air experiences air resistance. 2. Non-contact forces. Definition. Non-contact forces are forces that act on an object without any physical contact. Gravitational force. Description. Gravitational force is the attractive force that exists between any two masses. It is the force that gives weight to physical objects and causes them to fall to the ground when dropped. Example. The gravitational attraction between the Earth and the Moon. Magnetic force. Description. Magnetic force is the force of attraction or repulsion that acts between magnets and magnetic materials. Example. The force that causes a magnet to stick to a refrigerator. Electrostatic force. Description. Electrostatic force is the force between charged objects. Objects with opposite charges attract each other, while objects with the same charge repel each other. Example. The attraction between a balloon rubbed on hair and small pieces of paper. This explanation provides a detailed understanding of forces and their types, with clear definitions and relevant examples for each type.
Subscribe for more.